Welcome back, guys. Today we're making 100% natural fruit and vegetable juice. No sugar, no preservative. So start off by washing your fruits and vegetables carefully. I like to keep my carrots and my ginger unpeeled, but I peel my orange and my lemons. Cut your fruit into small pieces so it fits through the mouth of the juicer properly. Save that pineapple skin. You can do amazing things with that at a later date. Adjust your juicer settings. Run your fruits and vegetables through the juicer. You see all that trash you see in there? Save that if you do gardening, you can use as compost. Once your container is filled, pour it into a larger container. Repeat the step until all the fruits and vegetables has been juiced. Once you finish, you can either chill that juice and drink it, or you can pour over ice and enjoy a cool, refreshing juice in the morning. 100% natural, no sugar, no preservative. Hit that subscribe button.